Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if you're getting update failed on iOS 18. You want to follow these steps, so let's get started. First, of course, if you're looking to do an update, make sure you're on strong Wi-Fi, and then you're going to go into your settings, go to General, do your software update, and see if you can do the update generally from here by clicking on Upgrade, and you should be able to do the update. For some reason, if it's failing, the first thing you want to go ahead is go back here where it says automatic update, turn all of these off, and then turn it back on, and that should retry, and then go back again to this update page, refresh here, and then go down here, it says upgrade, and then click on update now. Now when you're doing the update, I recommend that your phone has at least 50% or more charge if not connected to a charger, and also along with that you want to turn off low power mode. So in the main settings, click on battery, and where it says low power mode, you want to make sure that is disabled, as it will prevent updates from occurring. Now after you have done that, the next thing to do is pull down the control menu or pull it up, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and turn it back off, and that does a quick network refresh. So if you're having issues with the network, it will go ahead and fix that as well. Along with that, if you're still having issue, the next thing to do is follow this method. You're going to locate the volume up and volume down button along with this big side button. What we're going to do is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black. Make sure you don't accidentally touch the screen when you do this process, or you do not want to slide to power off. Just keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black. Once you see the Apple logo, you let go of that side button, and this is known as a force restart, which basically shuts down the phone software and reloads the code. Again, what we did was quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, one after another, before holding on to the side button until the phone reboots itself. And after you have done that, again, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Again, when it turns on, you're going to make sure that is turned on. Again, I recommend using Wi-Fi whenever you're doing this iOS update, because that's going to work the best. You're going to want to make sure you're connected, and then go to General, and then go to Software Update, and it should again check for update, and then you're going to click on Upgrade to iOS 18 and click on Install. Now if it's still having issue, the next thing you want to do is go back to your main settings, and this time go to General, and under the iPhone storage, you want to make sure you have enough storage to install the update. What I mean by that is basically you want to make sure you have 10 gigs or more available. If you have less than 10, delete some apps, longer format videos, messages, which will free up some space, but essentially you will need that. Another thing to also check is that if you have here in the list, sometimes the update might show up here. You might need to delete the previous update that it was trying to do. It's going to look something like that, where it says iOS software update in this list that we're seeing, and then you'll click on that, and then click on where it says delete update to remove the old update, and then retry the method again. Now if you did that and you're still not getting it to work, the next thing to go ahead and do is go into your settings, main settings again, all the way down here, and then we're going to go to General, all the way where it says transfer reset iPhone, click on reset, and this time we're going to reset all settings themselves. When you reset all settings, basically it's going to reset things like network, any Wi-Fi that you have saved on, it'll get reset, any custom, basically all of these, any custom keyboard dictionary, any custom home screen layout, any location and privacy settings. But it's necessary to do that if you simply can't get the iOS to update itself. And of course, an alternative way to install iOS 18 is using it on your computer. So in order to do that, of course, use iTunes if you have a PC or Windows, and if you have a newer MacBook, you can use the new Finder app. It's connected to your computer, which we show in another video. We'll leave the link for that video in the comment or the description section, so you can update it through that process. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone, especially on iOS 18. We'll see you guys next time.